Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a right angle triangle. The base of this triangle is 6 unit and the height of this triangle is 8 unit. This angle is 90 degree. And we have a square inside this triangle touches these two sides and one side is on the hypotenuse. We have to find the side length of this square. Consider the triangle is A, B, C and the square, this is M, N, O, P, and consider the side length of this square as x. So this side is x, this as x, this side x, and this side will also be x. At first, focus on triangle BMN, this triangle, and in triangle ABC. In these two triangles, the angle B is common angle in these two triangles, and angle this N, this MNB, this angle is equal to this angle because both of these are 90 degree. So this rest of the angle will be equal. So the triangle BNM, this is similar to triangle this ABC. So for the angle similarity theorem, we can write this BN divided by MN. So BN divided by MN is equal to this BA, that means AB divided by this AC. This ratio from triangle BMN and this ratio from triangle ABC. Or now substitute value this MN, AB and AC, will get the value of BN. So BN divided by MN, this MN we have considered this as x, is equal to AB. The side length of AB is 6 unit. So 6 divided by AC, the length of this side AC is 8 unit, is equal to, simplifying this, we will get this, here remain 3 and here 4, dividing both by 2. So this is 3/4. Now multiplying both sides by x, we will get Bn. And Bn, this will be this 3 times x, 3x/4. So the length of Bn, this is 3x/4. And consider in triangle POC, in triangle POC and in triangle BAC. Again, in these two triangles, angle C is common to both of this triangle, and angle POC, this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. So these two angles will also same, and rest of this angle P is same as this B. So triangle POC is similar to triangle ABC. Again, angle similarity, we can write this OC divided by this OP. So OC divided by OP is equal to, from this triangle, this AC divided by AB. AC divided by AB, or this OC divided by OP, this is X, is equal to AC. This AC is equal to 8 unit. So 8 divided by this AB. This AB is 6 unit. And simplifying this, divided both by 2. So this will be 4 and here remain 3. So 4 over 3. And multiplying by this X, we will get this OC is equal to this 4 times X, 4X over this 3. And applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, because this angle is 90 degree, we will get the value of this BC. And we have found this OC is equal to 4x over 3. So applying Pythagoras theorem, we will get BC square is equal to this AC square plus this AB square. Or this BC square is equal to AC square. AC is 8. So 8 square plus AB square. AB is 6. So 6 square. Or BC square is equal to 8 square is 64 plus 6 square is 36. Or BC square is equal to 64 plus 36 is 100. And square root by both sides, we will get the value of BC is equal to square root of 100 is 10. So the length of BC is equal to 10 unit, and BC is equal to BN plus NO plus OC. We have BN is equal to 3x over 4, NO this is x, and OC this is 4x over 3, and sum of this length is same as 10. So by this we get 3x over 4 plus this x plus this 4x over 3, this is same as 10. Solving this equation, we will get the value of x, or the LCM of this 4 and 3 is 12, and 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9, so it will be 9x, plus here will be this x times 12, so 12x, plus 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 4 times 4 is 16x, is equal to, right side, this is 10. Or this 9x plus 12x plus 16x, this is 37x over this 12, is equal to this 10. Or multiplying both sides by 12, we'll get 37x is equal to 12 times 10 is 120. Now divided both sides by 37, we'll get the value of x. So the value of x is equal to this 120 divided by this 37. So the side length of this square x is equal to 120 divided by 37 unit, and this is the side length of this square. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.